Hi, my name is Danielle, and the reason why I think it's important for girls and youth to join after-school STEM programs because it helps them develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and teamwork skills. Plus, it promotes gender equality in fields traditionally dominated by men. By getting involved, girls can break barriers, pursue their passion, and contribute to the exciting STEM world.
My name is Hazel Brown, and I'm a part of the Nevada Flight Crew, and I'm an advocate for youth girls in STEM. I think every youth should be introduced or exposed to STEM after-school clubs and STEM opportunities because it could expose them to different career paths for the future and different opportunities for themselves. For example, if I had never been introduced to STEM, I would never be a part of the Nevada Flight Crew, and I wouldn't have all the opportunities I get, such as the robotics club in my school, GUCI, and my computer science class.
I believe it is crucial that youths, especially girls, join STEM after-school clubs and programs. These programs can help students to gain valuable experience in the field of STEM, which is ever-growing and ever-changing in today's society. I also believe that these programs can help students to learn lessons that will carry on with them later in life and very possibly in a career. For example, being in my robotics program has taught me lessons such as responsibility, time management, teamwork, as well as engineering, critical thinking, and coding. My hope is that young girls, or boys, can find value in a STEM program just as I did.
Hello, my name is Melody Garcia Bishop from the 2023 to 2024 Nevada Flight Crew, and I'm an advocate for the youth of STEM. STEM education provides our youth with critical skills like problem solving, creativity, and quick but thorough thinking. It opens doors to exciting career opportunities and equips them to tackle the challenges of the future. However, not all young people have equal access to STEM education, which is why us, the Flight Crew, have come together to break down barriers and ensure that every child, regardless of their background, has the chance to explore and excel in STEM. Advocating for youth means promoting inclusivity and diversity. We must encourage girls and underrepresented groups to pursue their passions in these fields. Creating a more balanced and innovative workforce by igniting the curiosity and passion, we can nurture the next generation of innovators and problem solvers. Investing in youth in STEM is an investment in our future. By empowering them with the tools and knowledge they need, we are shaping a better future for not only our generation, but for the up-and-coming ones as well.
Hey there, are you ready to unlock your potential and dive into unlimited opportunities? If so, then listen up, because I have something super exciting to tell you. Imagine a place where your imagination has no bounds, and they actually encourage you to think outside the box. Welcome to the exciting world of STEM. In STEM, you'll get to explore the power of experimentation. You'll get to ask big questions and get even bigger answers. Every experiment is a chance to learn, grow, and make a difference. So why should you join a STEM after-school program or club? Because here you are not just a participant, you are a creator. What? You're still here? What are you waiting for? Come on, let's change the world together.
Hello, my name is Teresa Calderon, and I'm a part of the 2024 Nevada Flight Crew. I think it's very important for girls to have after-school STEM programs and clubs. Understanding what you want to pursue in life is super important, and having these clubs can help you expand your interests and really acknowledge what you would like to pursue. Different career paths have different aspects to them, and having these programs can help you see what is a part of them. These programs can also present you with all different people who are already a part of those careers. They can help guide you in the right direction through your journey throughout your program. Overall, I think these programs are very beneficial for girls.